everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we'll take a look at a beautiful 1968 Pontiac GTO. Beautiful car, guys. Original 242 GTO. So it is an original car. It factory Verdoro green metallic, which is a pretty color. Sorry, we kind of got it in a crappy spot here. We're in got half shade, half sun, but real pretty paint on the car. I saw a couple little marks that I'll point out in the video. Bought it from a gentleman out of Illinois. It's got good solid body on it. He called it a frame-up restoration. Said it was done very recently. You can see, like I said, it's got real pretty paint on the car. It's got the factory Parchment interior, 400 cubic inch small block in it. It's also got the Muncie 4-speed manual trans, power steering, disc brakes. You can see it's got the radial red lines on it with the Rally 2 wheels. It's got the factory Rally dash with the hood tach. And a good looking car. A couple little things we're gonna have to fix on it. I ordered the park brake kit for it. And also the wipers weren't working, so we'll check into that. But good car, pretty paint on it. I saw, matter of fact, I'll show you. You see a couple little marks on it. The hideaway headlights work excellent. Cracking there. If you guys have been looking for one of these GTOs, you know it's pretty common in those. Pretty color combination. And again, this is factory Verdoro green with the Parchment interior. Good looking car. First thing I noticed, you open and shut the doors. They're real nice and tight. You know, just really a good car. Bumpers are nice. See, the car's nice and flat down the sides. Those are radial red lines. Boy, pretty day out here today. Great day. It's a little chilly, but great day to shoot some videos. And Rally 2s, you see that, guys, a little bit of dust on that, same thing. Nathan must have got in get the water coming out here. Nice car, like I say, real pretty paint. Again, same thing, you see little splashes, you got some puddles over in the back. Power disc brakes on the front. YS connotation 400. Again, Muncie 4-speed manual trans, Edelbrock 4-barrel, Edelbrock aluminum intake. Does have headers. Power steering, power front disc brakes. You can see it's got the chrome air cleaner and valve covers. Factory air car, but the air is off of it. Looks good. You know what, I think it's back here. There's a little mark in the paint I saw, but I think it's on the actual back quarter. Door's nice. I mean, car, it's a really, just like I say, good. A little touch-up mark there. Good car, good solid straight car. Nitpick your A-pillar chrome there a little bit. Mirror's definitely brand new. I'd say these are original. Looks like they've replaced the door rubbers. You can see the bottoms of the doors are nice and clean. They've definitely replaced this stuff in here. Door pads are nice. It's got new carpet, new sill plates. These are all new and really nice. That's your Parchment. GM calls it ivory, or Chevrolet calls it ivory. It's got a wood wheel in it. Again, Hurst shifter. Showing 34,577. I'm sure that's 134. Again, it's got the rally dash, AM radio, H-pipe Flowmaster dual exhaust, no big monster gear like a stock 323. Yeah, look how nice and crisp your lines are. Car's clean. All spackle coated in the trunk like it should be. Like I say, everything lines up good. Doors open and close nice. I know the hideaways work good. Got some pictures of the bottom of the car. Floors look original. They're nice and clean. Car's nice and flat down the sides. Seats are real nice. That wood grain's in good shape. The gauges are nice and clear. Again, that's a brand new wood steering wheel. Factory Hurst shifter. Console's in good shape. And I'd say these are original. Yeah, just good running 400, nothing crazy, just good car. The tach works, it all lights up too. Fuel gauge works. Again, we got to put the park brake on it. I don't think they said the backup lights work. Flows sound good. No on the radio. I also didn't get anything on the blower motor. Again, got to check on the wipers. Hideaway headlights work. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely, guys, subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. It's a great way to keep in touch with us. Great day, guys.